This plastic thing is way too heavy for my Sphinx, so let's make a felt one. I went ahead and put some pieces of paper together using the plastic one as a template. Now I'm tracing it with Sharpie with the felt being pinned. It's going to be so much lighter, so much softer against her skin. Now we're pinned in place, traced out. Let's cut her out. Now that we're all cut out, let's add some Velcro, stitch her up. I'm going to pop on some fold over edging. Looks cute and patchworky. Me testing to make sure it fits. And it all sewn up. Oh, I need to put the top trim on. Now it's sewn up. All right. It's first time actually having it on. She doesn't seem too mad about it. And I know she'll be able to sleep much better on that soft material. Well, hope this helps and hope you make one.